So before the video starts, I'm selling my some CC. If you want preview, what does it actually look like? You'll find the Google Drive link in the description. And if you like it, you can contact me on Instagram to buy it. Want this microwave edit? Hey, what's up my Guru Log? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create that trending microwave edit you've been seeing on TikTok. And yes, we'll be doing it in a light motion. I mean after motion. And yeah, the presets I used in this video are available on my WhatsApp and Telegram channels, so be sure to check those out. Alright, let's not waste any more time and jump straight into the video. First of all, we need a scene pack. So I'm using Telegram for scene pack. Now download it. Now open your Aftermotion, and if you want, you can find on my Telegram channel. Back to the topic. Now we are going to add the audio. Now mark the beat. Now add the scene clip here. Okay, so we are going to make Twixtor and reverse clips, so open Motion Ninja. Now add your scene clip here. Now click on clip and then edit and go to basic. Now adjust the clip. Okay, so we have to go in speed section. Now this is important. Your clips must be less than 2 seconds and longer than 1 second. Now export it. Now back to the project and again click on edit and go to reverse button. Now export the clip. Do same thing like previous. After making Twixtor and reverse clips. Now I'm adding first clip. After that, you have to add reverse clip. You have to do the same with all the clips as you did in the previous one. Okay, from here, I won't be doing much voiceover in the video, just add a few parts. Now enjoy the tutorial with background music. After complete speed ramping, you have to turn off the music of your video. Although we have already done it, still turn it off once. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna tell you, don't skip this part because this is important and you know very well how Graphics actually works. Now this is your choice. Anyways, enjoy the tutorials with background music. After complete zoom in and zoom out, you have to download this preset from my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Now just copy paste. After complete of shake pasting, now I'm gonna add some overlays. And yes, overlays also provided that preset, so don't worry. And yeah, if you want more overlays, I already provide on my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Back to the topic. For quality, I'm using Wink. Now I'm gonna convert my video 30 FPS to 60 FPS. Now that last thing is, and that is CC, but sorry guys, I can't give my personal CC. Now your microwave football edit is ready. Okay, so today you've learned how to make microwave full edit on after motion, but if you want more full edit on a light motion, check out the video on the left side where I show you how to make full TikTok edit, and in the video on the right side I explained how to make aggressive shake in CapCut. That's it for today's video. So this was Zenox signing off. See you guys in the next one. Till end. Peace.